Hey guys, we received this IAMJOY AI language translation earbuds for test and try. So two-way translators, earbud with 134 language, and a translator OWS earbuds with a real-time 3-in-1 online translator device. So this also is controlled by an app. So we will show you. Comes in this nice gift box. So let me just open this up. So manual and everything. This is the main earbud case. Very nice and shiny, smooth. So this is the accessory box. So this have long battery life and a fast charging, USB-C charging with a 3.5 hours call time, 5 hours music time. When nice. So let me just open up this box. So when you open, you see like a very nice shiny earbuds, smooth, open-ended. So they are the open ear one, so it will not get into your ear. So you can give it to someone else as well, so you can hear and they can listen as well. So EarDance is the app that you have to install to use this properly. And this have the Bluetooth 5.3. So connect it well with this. So once this is all connected, you can see like. So it's pretty easy and straightforward connection and it start blinking. This comes up and this is all connected. So once connected, two people can wear, they can choose the language. I choose English and Hindi in it and then try to speak, which is translating. So it's translating online. I don't see any issue in the translation and you can see it here as well on the screen of your mobile. Wearing is also comfortable with these earbuds.